Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Pocket Option and Pocket Broker. Pocket Option and Pocket Broker may sound similar, but they differ in reputation and reliability. Pocket Option is a trading platform that makes it simple for beginners to start with binary options. It has an easy-to-use design, social trading features where you can copy other traders, and many ways to deposit money, including local payment options in some countries. The platform also gives access to a variety of assets, from forex to cryptocurrencies. Many users like it because of its quick setup and low minimum deposits. However, it's still a high-risk platform, so profits are never guaranteed. Pocket Broker is an online trading platform that looks simple and easy to use, but it has very limited information available about how it really works. It claims to offer quick deposits, low trade amounts, and different assets, but many important details about its regulation and security are unclear. Some traders have reported serious problems, especially with blocked withdrawals and account verification issues. Because of this, the platform feels risky and unreliable compared to more established brokers. Between the two, Pocket Option is the safer and more reliable choice, while Pocket Broker carries higher risk due to lack of transparency and user complaints. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.